Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you what to do if you have forgotten your lock screen password on the Realme 11 Pro Plus. Let's begin! So, as you can see, I am currently logged in the lock screen. I cannot do anything. I have forgotten my lock screen password. What can I possibly do? Well, unfortunately, there is only one thing that will help you and will enable you to just, use your phone again. And unfortunately, it is factory reset. It's really important for me to say that factory reset will reset everything on your device. Yes, this will include your password, but you will also can say bye to, for example, your photos, your images, your games, your applications, your videos, your contacts, your messages, your music, like everything will be wiped out after factory reset. Your phone will basically behave like a new one, so just keep that in mind and try to remember your password. However, if you fail to remember it, well, let's begin by simply turning off our device. We can do that by pressing and holding power button and volume up button at the same time. Let's try to do that. And now going to power off. And after the logo disappears, our device is now powered off. Now we want to turn on our device once again, but we won't really be using only the power button. Instead, we want to press and hold the power button and the volume down button. Let's try to do that. Want to wait for a moment, and when the Realme logo appears, and here I know you guys can barely see it, but basically it's recovery mode. So now we want to wait for a moment. And we should see in a few seconds beauty of our recovery mode, which is right here. Now I know you guys can barely see anything, so I will navigate using power buttons, but just so you know, we can also click things here. I will now go down in order to go into English, and here we have three main options: the format data, reboot device, and power off. Obviously we want to format our data since forgotten our lock screen password. Let's click OK. Now we need to input our verification code, and this system is only in case you accidentally put your phone into recovery mode and accidentally clicked format data. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So as you can see, this reads 0492. So let's go with 0492. And we have a prompt that all your data will be reset, and we want to click format. We are now wiping all our device, and data has been formatted. We can click OK. And now our phone should automatically turn itself on. Now this may take a few moments, it really depends on the phone, but basically after it's done, we should see the newly created Android system that's really like waiting for the setup. So I will now pause the recording and we'll see it in a moment now. Few minutes have passed, and as you can see, we are in setup mode. We can go with the arrow and continue with the setup, but if you want to learn more about the setup itself, you can always watch our tutorial on our channel. And by the way, if you remove the security lock password, it's very likely that the phone will actually try to recognize this, and you will have to somehow get over it manually. If you want to learn more about that, you can always watch our, and I forgot the name, I think it was Skip F RMI verification. Is really hard for me to remember it, but basically if you try to input something in YouTube that says like fix needing lock screen whatever, you should be able to find our videos on that topic. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye!